Today I'm going to be tasting Henry Weinhard's Black Cherry Cream Soda. Henry Weinhard's soda began as beer brewery in 1856, when Henry Weinhard started a brewery in Portland, Oregon. During Prohibition, the company transitioned to producing sodas, including root beer, to stay afloat. Today, Henry Weinhard continues to produce a range of flavored sodas known for their gourmet quality and use of natural ingredients. I am in Pittsburgh right now, so there's a whole lot more sodas I get to try now. It's for a few days though. Ooh, that smells good. That has a very good black cherry smell to it. Now that is something else. It's got a good just the right amount of cream to where it's not like overwhelming a cream soda. But this is good. It almost tastes like those fresh cherries you get whenever cherries are in season, when they get good. This is good. I would definitely give this, I'd give it a 10.